Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to prepare a whole melon for storage. This is it. It looks good, it looks pretty. I hope it tastes good too. And I'm gonna slice this up, cut this up and put it in a container in the fridge for easy access to when you want it to eat. Alright, so sit back, relax and watch the process. It was sweet. I hope this helps, guys. When you have a whole melon and don't know what to do with it, this is what you can do. You can also freeze it to make your smoothie or whatever it is you want to make. All right, so thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.